In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete background in Affinity Designer. If you're working on a logo, a cutout, or any artwork that needs a clean, transparent background, this quick process will help you remove the backdrop so only your subject remains. Start by opening the Affinity app on your computer and loading the document you want to edit. Once your file is open, direct your attention to the right side of the workspace. You'll see the Layers panel, which lists everything in your document from top to bottom. Each entry represents an object or group, and the order here matches what you see on the canvas. Items higher in the list appear in front of items below. Look for the layer that represents the background. In many projects, it's labeled background, but it could also be a rectangle layer or a full-frame image that fills the entire canvas. A quick way to spot it is to glance at the thumbnail. If it looks like a solid color or a full bleed photo, that's likely the one. Click once to select it. You'll see a highlight indicating the selection, and nothing else in your document should be selected at this moment. Take a second to make sure you haven't accidentally clicked your main artwork or subject. Selecting the correct layer is the key to removing only the background. With the background layer selected, right-click directly on its name in the Layers panel to open the context menu. If you're using a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way. This menu gives you quick actions that apply to the selected layer. From that menu, choose Delete. As soon as you do, the background layer is removed from the document. You should now see your artwork floating on a transparent canvas. In many workspaces, transparency is indicated by a checkerboard pattern behind your remaining layers. Your main illustration, text, or subject won't be affected. Only the background layer you selected is gone. If you changed your mind or removed the wrong thing, don't worry. Use Undo to step back instantly and try again. And if you prefer using the keyboard, the Delete key accomplishes the same thing when the correct layer is selected. That's all there is to it. Open your document, locate the Layers panel on the right, select the background layer, right-click, and choose Delete. With just those actions, you've cleared the background and kept your focus exactly where it should be, on your design. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along in real time.